based on. Now to developing news out of federal court in Norfolk. Anthony Burfoot's corruption trial reaches day 13.
And the Norfolk City Treasurer has still not taken the stand. Tonight on Your Side's Jason Marks, following this case closely, did talk to Burfoot's attorney today. And Jason, he feels good about the way things are going, right?
He's very clear about this. He feels very confident about his case. He says all of his witnesses are taking the stand and he believes they're telling the truth, unlike most of the prosecution's key witnesses who have all broken the law in the past.
I think they're telling the truth. The truth is coming through.
Andrew Sachs, Anthony Burfoot's attorney, is confident his witnesses will show the jury that his client is innocent. Prosecutors say Burfoot took cash and gifts, and in return he promised favors while on city council, such as making sure Tyvest got development projects in Broad Creek.
If these theories of the government were true, then there should be evidence that Mr. Burfoot was actually picking these people and lobbying for them to be picked, and there's no evidence of that.
The Norfolk Redevelopment and Housing Authority was responsible for picking developers in Broad Creek. John Konak, who works for the NRHA, testified Burfoot never influenced the decision-making process.
Official after official have made it clear, the executive director, now the past executive director, that Anthony Burfoot had nothing to do with the award of who the builder was going to be.
Prosecutors did turn to emails sent to and from NRHA members to show that Burfoot was a part of that process. One email questioned how Burfoot was trying to control how and when properties were being sold and called it a dangerous position. This man, Bruce Gordon, once a part of Tyvest, then took the stand. He testified he never saw Burfoot as a silent partner of the company, but he did say he heard from a conversation with a fellow owner that Burfoot was a member.
He heard that from a witness who unfortunately has a felony record, whose testimony in this trial I do not think was credible. And if that's the source that people are relying upon, then we're not concerned.
The big question remains, will Burfoot take the stand? So will that happen? Well, that's left to remain unseen. I did talk with Andrew Sachs. He tells me that he has not made that decision yet, though he feels confident that Anthony Burfoot wants to get up on that stand and tell the jury the truth. That's the latest here in Norfolk. Jason Marks, 10 on your side.